Good evening. I am Madhurima Datta, Zoology and Biology Educational Content Creators. Today's content for Class 9, CBSE, ICSE and other boards. In last slide, I discussed about the muscular tissue, and today I will discuss about the dense connective tissue. What is dense connective tissue? Connective tissues, as the name implies, support and connect different tissues and organs of the body. They are widely distributed in every part of the body. They originate from the mesoderm, the middle germinal layer of the embryo. Connective tissue is made up of a few cells present in the intercellular framework or protein fibers secreted by the cells known as collagen or elastin. The cells also secrete a thin gel of polysaccharide which together with the fibers make matrix or ground substances. Next, components of the connective tissue. Connective tissue contains three types of fibers, that is collagen, elastic and reticular. Next, collagen fibers. Collagen fibers are the most widespread and made up of fibrous protein collagen. Collagen fibers are flexible and have high tensile strength that is comparable to steel. Next, elastic fibers form a network and can be stretched like a rubber band. They are made up of protein elastin. They retain their original shape and size once the force is removed. Next, reticulate fibers consist of collagen and glycoproteins. They are thin and form a delicate network. They join connective tissue to neighboring tissue. There are various kinds of cell present in different types of connective tissue. They secrete different types of fibers and matrices. Fibroblasts or adipose cells are stationary and macrophages, mast cell, monocytes, lymphocytes are migrating cells. Next, types of connective tissue. The classification of connective tissue is as follows, that is loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue and specialized connective tissue. Loose connective tissue. Loose connective tissues are present all over the body where support and elasticity both are needed. Blood vessels, nerves and muscles all have a loose connective tissue wrapping. They form the subcutaneous layer under the skin along with adipose tissue, attaching muscles and other structure to the skin. The fibers and cells are loosely arranged in the semi-fluid matrix. They are found between many organs as a filling and act as a shock absorber and the reservoir for salt and fluid. Next, areolar tissue. It is present under the skin and supports epithelium. It contains randomly distributed fibers, fibroblasts, mast cells, and macrophages. It supports the organ present in the abdominal cavity, fills the space between muscle fibers, and wraps around the blood and lymph vessels. Next, adipose tissue. They are present under the skin and store fat. It acts as a shock absorber and helps in maintaining body temperature in colder environments. White adipose tissue protect kidney and are also found at the back of the eye, in the hump of camels, blubber of whales, etc. Next, white adipose tissue protects the kidneys and are also found at the back of the eye, in the hump of camels, blubber of whales, etc. Next, brown adipose tissue is found in infants, polar bears, penguins, and other animals found in cold region. It contains more mitochondria and generates 20 times more heat as compared to the other fat. It releases metabolic heat. Next, reticular connective tissue. It is made up of reticular fibers. It supports the internal framework of organs such as liver, lymph nodes, and spleen. Next, dense connective tissue. In the dense connective tissue, fibroblast cells and fibers are compactly packed. Their main function is to support and transmit mechanical forces. They are somewhat less flexible than loose connective tissue. On the basis of the arrangement of collagen fibers, they are divided into two types. First, dense regular tissue. In the dense regular connective tissue, the orientation of fibers are regular. The collagen fibers are present between the parallel running bundles of fibers. The regular arrangement enhances tensile strength and causes resistance to stretching in the direction of the orientation of fiber. Example of dense regular tissue are tendon and ligaments. Next, tendon and ligaments. Tendons attach to bones to skeletal muscles. Ligaments attach to bones together. Dense irregular tissue, there are many fibers including collagen which are oriented irregularly or randomly. The irregular arrangement gives uniform strength in all directions. Fibers may form a mesh-like network. This types of tissue is present in the dermis of the skin. Today's topic has ended.